We're at the Falmouth Nature Preserve. Sunday seems to be our afternoon for getting out to interesting places because I have more time. There's Molly. She's feeling much better today, as you can see from her romping. She's looking for Sam. We will just ignore him because I think he's engaged in private business of one kind and another. Molly! Molly! Can you say Roo? Molly Roo? There's Sam. Molly's gonna have a moment of rest. Hello, Sam. Here's another section of the Orange Trail. You can see where we lost some trees in the storm in the last year. Not as bad here as on Mackworth Island, but still had an effect on how things were. There is Molly having some snow. Where is Sam? There is Sam. Also, no, having some stick, I think. Alright, let's go. Now Molly is leading the way. They really know this trail well. And when we get to every little crossroads, they have to stop and look at me as if to say, which way are we going? Although Sam sometimes likes to tell me which way to go, which when we're out here is okay. We're just getting to a little marshy area. And perhaps see a glimmer through the trees down to where the water is. The dogs are now behind me. I don't know when they'll come barreling around the corner here, but I expect it to happen momentarily, and now they're sort of following quietly at the moment, but it's a pretty, pretty area. We really feel lucky to live someplace that is so beautiful. Certain people are ready to keep moving. More pretty woods. Who's talking to me? Pretty Sam. Pretty, pretty Molly. Is she whimpering?
Yeah.
Oh, Molly. She says, you know, it's hard to be me. So pretty and so lame. Well, maybe we'll just take a rest for a minute. Maybe we'll talk to Sam. Hello, Sam. How are you? Do you have any messages for your father? No? I don't know why not. Hello, Sam. Molly's up and around again. She did some running while the camera was off. What a pretty girl. Sam says, I are handsome. Yes, you are. Molly's very excited because we've just come across some other dogs. And Sam had to run up and greet them too. Oh. Dogs like to say hello to each other. Hello, hello. There we go. We are continuing on our way after greeting those friends. Yeah? Here we go. It's just pretty everywhere here. For those who know, this is the Orange Trail. I guess those who know already knew that, just from looking around. There's Molly leading the way. I think she knows we have taken the homeward turn. She usually has a spring in her step when she recognizes that. Oh, it's a beautiful afternoon. It's about 38 degrees. It got warm enough that it's mostly softened and melted a bit so it's not too slippery, although we did do some icy hills, so we did not film since we needed our hands to balance ourselves. Molly! Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? It's like stopping for ice cream on a hot day. Isn't it? Isn't it just like that?